How to delete secure folder on Samsung, without losing data. Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to delete secure folder from your Samsung device. Whether you no longer need it, want to free up storage, or just prefer not to use it anymore, this step-by-step guide will make it super easy. So go to your phone's settings, scroll down, and tap on Security and Privacy. Then select More Security Settings and choose Secure Folder. Next, tap on More Settings. And select Uninstall. At this point, you'll be asked if you want to move your media files out of Secure Folder before deleting it. Choose that option if you want to keep your files, then tap Uninstall. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming tips.